First, the top headlines. Images of Kuki militants with sophisticated weapons found. $349 relief claims with 50,648 inmates in the state at prison, says Dr. S. Ranjan. And curfew relaxed for Imphal East, West and Bishnupur till 8 p.m. today. Hello, welcome to ELITETV's 3 p.m. English News. I'm your host, Deemita. Before giving you the news, we requested to follow the SOP given by the government. Wear face masks on in public, wash your hands regularly, and maintain a minimum of 6 feet between one person and another. ELITETV also requested to get vaccinated in time to protect ourselves from this virus and play your part in the fight against COVID-19. Now the news in detail. Images of Kuki militants with sophisticated weapons are found. Footage is found from the drone camera, which is left by Kuki militants somewhere in Bishnupur district. It is clearly shows that they are not using single and double barrel. Here is the exclusive report.
Handaki kanupani gi irang asida kulai paiba mapalamdagi lai lakti haibagi chayet naba leiba du ELITETV na phangwa pauda handaki irang asida Kuki militants sing yawi haibagi chapsaba proof fangle ELITETV na phangwa video footage da haiba Kuki militants sing asina sniper M16 amadi SLR nongmai sing pairaga maitei kultaba jaga sing da attack tobagi video footage drone footage ubu fange Haiba footage asida Seru dagi hauraga tuan ba tangjeng aduga aroiba khul phawda makoina drone camera sinaraga attack tobagi adumba footage sing aduni hoje khoi ucheri ba footage sing si yang views na sniper ni aduga sina LMG ni aduga sina khoi SLR ni adu hairiba volunteers sing asina khoi karai da kari lerige haibasi makhoi gi oiba drone footage drone camera sinraga nambagi photograph aduni leribasi aduna village defense force ni haina tuan ba pafam thamakpa akhona Kuki militants sing ni haibada media na haiba matamda waru me amadu hairiba footage sing asina mek senga takle madudi hairiba lan asida khoi double barrel na te single barrel na te bairiba si sniper ni mamang da su khoi tuan phum sing da khoi pipe na saba bomb sing phagat pagi wafum su laikrabani Media na phone pauda kuki militants in haina warobu lebadu hauzik oriba video footage aduga photographs asina message tagle haibadi haiba asida akoi mapalom dagi mi yawi haibagi chingnaba leiba loinena makhoi sineba flag asi karamba flag ma haibasu chapchaba khangmangam dri adubu makhoi ki position lebagi film duni hauzik uriba si Maramaduna media da lana thamu wafam village defense force ni single barrel double barrel masagi defense tongna ba paise bani haiwa fam adu Allah alabra haibasi ato wang am oidi
IPR and Health Minister Dr. S. Ranjan Singh has informed that there are a total of 349 relief camps with 50,640 displaced persons in the state due to the ongoing crisis in Manipur. Minister was speaking to media during a press conference held at auditorium of the IPR at Nitaipa Chutek, Imphal West yesterday. He said that district and a cluster nodal officials have been identified to take care and look after relief centers opening at different districts. Relief centers have also been opened specially for pregnant ladies. Special cares have also been taken up for lactating mothers, aged persons and children, he informed. Ranjan stated that goods and essential commodities are being bought through National Highway number 37. 2,376 trucks loaded with 35,000 metric tons comprising of construction materials, fuels, essential commodities, etc. have been brought in to the state, he added. He further informed that the government is trying to make Khongsang railway station activated within the next 10 days for convenient transportation of essential items. Further helicopter services from More Imphal to Churachandpur and Imphal to Kangpopi have already been started, he added. Ranjan also said so far a total of 990 arms and 13,526 ammunitions have been surrendered to the government. On top of this, combing operations have been launched in all districts, partially in vulnerable areas. During the search operations conducted by the combined team of Central and State Armed Forces, 53 arms, 74 ammunitions and 39 bombs have been successfully recovered, said the minister. The IPR minister stated that the roadmap of education for crisis period has been chalked out by government, the details of which will be briefed by the education minister concerned very shortly. Regarding the banking sector, out of the 242 branches, 198 bank branches are made operational as of now, and the rest will be made functional at the earliest, added the minister. Ranjan said that the price control mechanism is put into force to check the price rise in essential commodities, said the minister. He also updated about the current fuel and LPG stock and appealed to the public not to panic. The minister appealed to all to play the active roles to restore a normalcy in the state of Manipur again. Curfew has been relaxed from 5 a.m. to 8 p.m. in Imphal East, West and Bisnupur district today, said separate orders of district magistrates. Markets and the shops are opened. People were seen rushing to the markets and the shops to buy essential items. Normal traffic was observed on the roads. Former Minister A.K. Mirabai, ex-MLA O. Landhoni and wife MLA K. Ranjit K. Madhumati today inspected the various relief camps at Sugnu, Napat and Sero. They handed over some edible and essential items to the people of the camps. Talking to media persons, even though the Kuki militant torched the houses of Meitei communities and killed many innocent people, at this juncture not a single word has been mentioned by the Prime Minister is very unfortunate, they said. Moreover, they are sure to do the needful for them at any cost.
Ngasigi miyoi lising kayagi mamit na gitari ba mamit ki piye atuwa matamda pirang ase tingbi tu na loina na makoi tangdu lekta ba bayum makai sana bagi damagta अथुबा मतमदा होनबिदबा तारगदी सिविल वार हाइबसे हौजिक हौरिबा मै असिदगी सरुक कया थोना हौरकलगा ngasi aikoi lamdam asigi leipak asigi jati aikoi je punna tumindarasi haibra haibase masi hangning wahang amagi aikoi matam koirakleba aduna matam koimale yengbiu athuba matamda sarkarna athuba matamda shanti wari saduna masi loisanbire haraga ngasi gi tangdu leitadraba praja mayamgi mitki piye koi bakata na tahandanaba amachung sena khainaba kanamana hairi aigi sagai mulle isanupa amakhak yawbase ngasidi mahak leitrabani sagai mulle hadra tengtha hauriba mayam uruba matamda thamoi da kaptaba ngamde aduna aikoi miyoiba maga miyoiba magi bleinariba nungsibagi mariachina ngasigi kuki la lawasing kudakta hano loinana aikoi shanti haibase amukana nungsi sanana Manipura amukana hana dagi yelhongai dagi lemina rapi nusi chana bato amuk hanjan nakna ba khonna mina si haibase ai ga apel ni
jumai sakhare yam sakhare sum de su adai di serong de su napa na yam di cha eko so serong ju yam cha ya do si state post tham bidra ga di mayam ji parjam yang je cham na ga lai banga moi haire ba adai asi mai ben ur de am ngai te ang kape ba when ayam mane ba ang jay amat ahante ba ikaisu taw di kumine ba mo itati anu khangde kai haidon haibam khang.
On the other hand, the villagers in relief camp thanked the initiative taken up by them.
Dibloina magdi chapidati khadi sa eko Sapia Jumjim Hanjilaga, Labis Namgodra, Namoidra Hangde, Hanjiluraga Tamani, Ladakana Moina, my taste in Stangapanga, Amu Hose, Hiram, Plan, Silam Brazo, Kang, the Moimaron Kamanatamina, Mokapa, Honosan, Adam Manapuna Mina, Tongodra, Hanjing, I don't know why they am two Matanda Manipur force. I am when a Pamakam putting it Tambira Sunugi area, Hadi border Hagadra, a man Nagam Jam, Tampa, may have to say the Kapang Tamani had a sort of work at the May Harakan and the Pam, the same hand of her.
No, had that knocking on me. More than I let how to win a knock on them when I had to talk with them in Lotuni. I do I quite me. Cooking me, I quite how I can find a guarantee type. Mày mà khơi mà có bị khó mà không ngáp có phá mi, khơi gì làm món nó hạt gì hạt biếu, khơi gì làm dẹp đó là khơi, trong khơi này ta là có phá mi.
Committee for Peace and Social Harmony today staged hunger strike at Kakching High Secondary School. Speaking to media persons, a member of the committee, P. Shomarendra, said the initiative has been taken up in protest against the Kuki militants torturing the innocent people and burning their houses. He drew the attention of both the central and state government to do the needful at the earliest in order to bring peace and normalcy in the state.
The Manipuri integrity kaiba sunga yaroi Manipur Dusing Purel Sing Sina Sena how the Kai film Lakomatam the day. Humbly by Koi Mayamase, Idesa Mayamasina, Sasa the Seli, but E. Marik among Seli Makai, Manipuri, Namkai Damta Manipur, Imakanik Minamta land and the Jaunaba, Sims Haduna lady, have a say, I quite Langak in Haburel Sina Kumbi Gadamani Manipulenga, Comedy Para Langana, Akanba security forces Mayama Matats Hazilakanda, Hauji. Mia Misamda, Awa Piriba Manipur, Varega, Samsana, narco terrorism, Kudung Sabasi, Lauriba, Asigumbala, Hobasanga Semasi, Kudakta Laxnabagi, Taurang Se, Masatona, Miam Kanga, like at Kadabani, security measure Pire Pire Haraga, Misam Prazada, Hojik Papa Kappa Leptiba, you might have a Leptibase, Masi Kudakta Lefan Gadabani.
Railways use AI-based Sanchar Sathi portal to identify bodies of people who were killed in Odisha train accident last week. The portal helped trace the victims' phone number and Aadhaar details using their photographs. Officials said that they also traced calls made through nearby towers just before the accident to link them to phones, which were later immediately shut down. Indian American Srinivasrao Alaparthi has sued a resort and a boat captain for wrongfully dead After his wife died while parasailing in US, his wife was parasailing with her son and nephew when the weather turned bad. The boat's captain then cut the town line holding the parasail, after which the trio went dragged across water and hit the bridge, the lawsuit said. And now let's take a short break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Babina Diagnostics Manipur da ihan hanba oina ingsok lising amaga chamapal marifuhumdoi da linkhatki. Masina awang nongpok Bharat da yamna pak chawna miyoi bagi ana layeng da darkar lakpa makhal kaya gi changyeng sing pangthoi. Mayamdugi marakta amatang pallabada radiological investigation su mai pak na pangthokli. Wana hona jaba miyoi bagi sebani khana angam bathak ta laibak thiraba ana ayek nanglaba kayagi mating pangjaba si sakhang biduna awang nongpok ta ihan hanba oina NABL gi accreditation pibirakhi. Miyam gi pothafam ngainafam testofam report lawfam gi awaba du kokhanduna changfam hangfam pothafam gari parking cafeteria yauna marang kaina leizaraba unit ama oina miyam gi seba tawjari. Unit asida thamjariba matamgi darkar oirakpa equipment singdi 1.5 Tesla MRI, 128 slice CT scanner, mammography, DEXA scanner, digital X-ray, loinana hematology, clinical chemistry, amadi clinical pathology, immunology, microbiology, molecular biology, amasung immunohistochemistry studies ki masing yamlaba automated analyzers.
Diabetes ka loinana hinglibusing tha amagi manungda fahanba ngamle. Khong hamba nungai tabasu numit mangani gi manungda fahanba ngamle. Piles haibadi nungsang nabasu chama da chama fahanba ngamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oina lehenba ngamle. BP wangbasu tha amagi manungda normal da lehenba ngamle. Pumnamak natural oiba anoba hidak makal singna laying jabani. Haksang da sokadaba side effect amata leite. Makatana hidak chabagi mathausu tararoi. Akopa moral gidamak nga simaglengsin bidau Diabetes Hospital, Jennings Road near Punjab National Bank, Porompat.
Admission open. Manipur gi mapanda chatrabasu yaraba best quality education ga loinana Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science pangai. Manipur University da affiliated toba Indian Nursing Council amadi Pharmacy Council of India na recognize tawraba college asida chatliba academic session asigi akagnaba sit masingi admission hojare. Coursing adudi BSc Nursing, Diploma in Pharmacy, Bachelor of Pharmacy, BSc Forensic Science, BSc Radiology and Imaging Technology, BSc RIT, BSc Medical Laboratory Technology, BSc MLT, amadi BSc Operation Theatre Technology Operation, BSc OTT, high-river coursing asigi scholarship ki kudong saba su pangbigani, amadi meritorious students singi oiba tongan ba kudong saba mayam amalegani. Akopa moral gidama 9856575163. College address Pangai opposite MPTC da lengbiratuna ngasimak kudong saba silowiu.
SS Career Solution na chahitara hena kunai sida leiriba naharol singbu achumba sinfam mama khangjana bagi khudong chaba du mapung fana pina bagi damak specialized oiraba team kaya semdona angang singbu nauringai dagi khoiga chana ba sinfam gi maramda singna mari makhong taktuna afaba kunai ama oirakna ba hona duna ngasi fawbala Career Solution amagi chap chana guidance thi bahaibasi arriba dinate adubu Manipurgidi thoina nungsa thiningai oitre SS Career Solution na akaknaba plan amadi expertise singa putsinduna satra khagnatana community level dagi hauraga adom gi khwaidagi chanaba sinfam adu mai pakna chatnanaba sem sagani aikhoigi mamal yamlaba naha singbu tungge chuwa lambel amada lamjing haurasi SS Career Solution na piriba khudong chaba singasi khopna khanta haurasi
Welcome you all to UNACO College, Kongman Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational college offering both BA and BAc courses. UNACO College will be affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. First academic session will begin in July 2023. Hurry up! Registrations and admissions open for 2023-24 academic session.
Welcome back again. You're watching ELITETV's 3 p.m. English News. An empty coach of the Manipur-Howrah local train derailed at the Kharagpur station in West Bengal's Pachim Medinipur district on Saturday night, a Southeastern Railway official said. The accident happened around 9 p.m. when the train was heading towards Howrah. The accident happened around 140 km from Odisha's Bahananga Bazar station, where a triple train crash occurred on June 2nd. Iran police shot and killed a 9-year-old boy after his father stole a car and drove off with him, Iranian authorities said. Police said they issued the man several warnings before they started shooting, while the man said they did not issue any warnings. According to the police, the man had a criminal record including car theft and drug smuggling. Kyron Kwazi, a 14-year-old student, is set to join Elon Musk-led SpaceX as the company's youngest software engineer. Kwazi will join SpaceX after graduating from Santa Clara University School of Engineering this month. In the LinkedIn post, Kyron said SpaceX is a rare company that didn't use his age as an arbitrary and outdated proxy for maturity and ability. Clinical psychologist Jordan Peterson's response to YouTube removing his post said, "I have now officially been accused of hate speech by YouTube. Let's be clear that these direct accusations can be deemed criminal in many jurisdictions." Reacting to his tweet, Elon Musk said, "Upload here. This platform believes a free speech provided it does not break the law." The Air Intelligence Unit AIU of Customs Department at Kerala's Kochi Airport seized 2,207.24 grams of foreign origin gold jewellery worth Rs 1.21 crore, an official statement said. The Customs Department said the gold was recovered from the 4 passengers who have arrived from Malaysia on Friday. The gold was seized under relevant sections of the Custom Act 1962, an official said. For ELITETV News Channel, contact to the email address info@elitetv.in or 9402890982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. And now let's take a look at the headlines once again. Images of Houthi militants with sophisticated weapons found. $349 relief camps with 50,648 inmates in the state at present, says Dr. S. Ranjan. And curfew relaxed for Imphal East, West and Bishnupur till 8 p.m. today. And that's all for now. For more updates, keep watching ELITETV English News. Thank you and have a great day.